Alright guys, well last night I pulled some wire through the boat. Everything worked out really well. And today I'm going to work on the connection from the battery to this yak power box. So we're going to get started and see how it goes. Hey friends, and welcome to my channel, Tim's Tiny Boat. Alright, so I'm going to put a 1/4 inch hole in my box here. But what I'm going to have to do is cut and splice. Okay guys, I'm going to be drilling a hole here to install this cable. And I've never used one of these drill bits before, but it's awesome. I love it. Oh, yeah, just fits. I'm just gonna put a little bead behind there just for fun and giggles. And it should seal up there pretty tight and actually squeeze out there. Come on. What's happened here? I forget that these are magnet screwdrivers, which makes it really nice. That's so awesome. So clean. All right. And I guess what I'll do next, I think I'll just go ahead and install this. All right, I'm going to put silicone here too. Alright guys, here goes nothing. I just loosened the screws a little bit because I want to put a little bit of caulking down in here too. Just want to get around those screws and around the screw head. And it's getting messy outside. I believe it's trying to start raining and it's supposed to be bad weather tonight. So, really don't want that. But it looks like it's going to happen. In fact, we might even get snow tonight. That's crazy. Well, yeah, I like it. Sweet. Alright guys, well, I'm calling it a night. I've worked on this thing, I don't know, probably about 3 hours. Just an overview of what I did today. I wired the harness here on the wire that I pulled through the boat, and this is my test cable and battery. So I've got it hooked up to test the lights, and this is what I'm testing tonight. These are the docking lights, and they're working, so that's good. I got my battery wired. I got this installed and wired, and all looking pretty in there. So yeah, we're getting there. So anyway, supposed to get about 1 to 3 inches of snow tonight. So that means I might not be driving a school bus in the morning. I don't know. We'll see. I wouldn't mind sleeping in. Wouldn't mind coming out here and working on the boat and finishing it. I got a ways to go, but we're getting there. So anyway, guys, well, hopefully we'll catch you in the morning. Have a good one.